This is a rusty patch bumblebee, identified by the small rust-colored patch the workers and males are marked with on the middle of their second abdominal segment. They are one of the 255 bumblebee species in the world and are essential to the preservation of life in nature as a major pollinator of wildflowers, cranberries, and other important crops on Earth. The economic value of bee pollination services reaches about $20 billion. However, they are rapidly dying off as a result of climate change.
Many of the populations are threatened by at least one stressor, including declining genetic diversity and habitat loss. The rusty patch bumblebee has declined by 87% in the last 20 years. Things humans do every day, such as driving a car, working, especially in factories, and use of pesticides, are slowly killing off these bees. As temperatures rise around the world, the bees are threatened by the warming and precipitation, early snow, late frost, and drought. These changes may lead to more exposure to or susceptibility to disease, fewer flowering plants, and fewer places for queens to hibernate and nest.
The bees have less time for foraging due to the high temperatures and asynchronous spring emergence of flowering plants and bumblebees. Rising temperatures and human activity disturb the way bees have been living for many, many years. Many animals, like the butterfly, have adjusted to the changing climate by migrating towards the Earth's poles. However, research suggests that bees might not have the same ability to adapt. Though bees can easily move from location to location, researchers suggest that the migration may not have occurred because they have trouble setting up homes in a new place. Therefore, since the species is not able to migrate and is not able to habilitate itself in places with a warmer climate, the species is likely to be present in only 0.1% of its historical range.
Not only are bees essential to the preservation of wildlife all around the world, but a lack of bees might also be a stressor on human food sources. 1/3 of our global food supply is pollinated by bees. Without bees, there would be a great decline in plants, leading to a great decline of animals, leading to a great decline of human food. Bees are essential to keeping balance in the world. However, at this rate, the rusty patch bumblebee will soon go extinct. What can you do to help this global crisis? You can provide habitats for the bees by planting flowers in your yard. You can turn off your lights when you go outside. Don't waste food or use harsh chemicals in and around your home. Every action can make a difference. Without rusty patch bumblebees, the whole ecosystem could collapse. Help save the bees to help save the world.